Inlet to Jupiter Inlet 0 to 20 nautical miles, Volusia Brevard County Light to Sebastian Inlet 0 to 20 nautical miles, until 5:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:23 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 8 nautical miles southwest of West Melbourne to near Palm Bay to near Indian River shores, moving north at 40 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots, or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect wind gusts in excess of 34 knots, suddenly higher waves, lightning and heavy downpours. Make sure all on board are wearing life jackets. Return to safe harbor if possible. Locations impacted include Floridana Beach, Melbourne Beach, Satellite Beach, Barefoot Bay and Melbourne. Serving Fort Pierce and vicinity, this is NOAA Weather Radio Station WWF 69, the voice of the National Weather Service. This broadcast comes to you from the National Weather Service office in Melbourne, Florida, on a frequency of 162.425 megahertz. A required weekly test of the NOAA Weather Radio Public Warning System is conducted each Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon and again between 6 and 8 p.m. If severe weather is expected, this test will be put. Special marine warning. The National Weather Service in Melbourne has issued a special marine warning for Sebastian Inlet to Jupiter Inlet 0 to 20 nautical miles, Sebastian Inlet to Jupiter Inlet 20 to 60 nautical miles, Volusia Brevard County Light to Sebastian Inlet 0 to 20 nautical miles, Volusia Brevard County Light to Sebastian Inlet 20 to 60 nautical miles, until 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:03 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms capable of producing waterspouts were located along a line extending from near Grand Valkyria to Vero Beach, moving northeast at 25 knots. Hazard, waterspouts and wind gusts in excess of 50 knots. Source, radar indicated. Impact, waterspouts can quickly form and capsize boats, damage vessels and create locally hazardous seas. Make sure all on board are wearing life jackets. Expect wind gusts in excess of 50 knots and suddenly higher waves. Boats could sustain significant damage or capsize. Make sure all on board are wearing life jackets. Return to safe harbor if possible. Locations impacted include Orchid, Floridana Beach, Sebastian Inlet State Park, Gifford and Winter Beach. Move to safe harbor until the hazardous weather passes. Thunderstorms can produce sudden waterspouts. Waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Seek safe harbor immediately. Tornado warning for the following county, Indian River, Florida. The National Weather Service in Melbourne has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Indian River County in east central Florida until 5:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:57 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Vero Beach South, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Vero Beach, Indian River Shores, Vero Beach South, Gifford and Vero Beach Island. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Special marine warning.